The belief tabletop analogy. Like all beliefs, limiting beliefs form early in our childhood when we learn to make generalizations about ourselves, others, and the world directly or indirectly from various sources. These sources include those around us like family and friends, society, institutions like school, religion, our workplace, media, and ultimately as we drew conclusions from our own experiences. The tabletop analogy is a great way to understand beliefs. A belief begins as a thought or idea that can be represented by this tabletop. This idea or thought is first presented to us maybe after hearing it, reading about it, or coming up with it ourselves as we noticed a pattern in our experiences. Maybe we noticed that we were only praised and loved by our parents when we behaved well or brought good grades home. But when we misbehaved, we were ignored, punished, or treated less kindly. So we arrived at this conclusion. Maybe to receive love, I have to be great at everything. Now this idea is unsupported, so it can change quickly. With this idea in our minds, we look for confirming evidence. We might notice that when we received a school award, our parents were happy and finally told others how proud they were of us. This evidence, also called a reference, is like a table leg that holds the table up. Maybe someone complimented us on our appearance. Maybe an ex broke up with us because of the car we drove. Maybe when you got promoted, you finally got the respect you felt you deserved. And soon we add more references that confirm our idea and ignore the experiences that counter our beliefs. As you see, some references are thicker because they have more emotional intensity attached. And with more legs, now the tabletop or idea is sturdier, stronger, and more resistant to change. Now it has become a belief.